conducive school and classroom environment is one of the key factors in the teaching and learning process. This contributes a lot to the formation and education of our children. Hence, a call has been made to all stakeholders for its realization. My respect to our City Mayor, Honorable Shelo Crisel Burselagman, to our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo, to our Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Fatima D. Ben, Census 6, to our Barangay Captain of Oson, Honorable Alan B. Beringot, to our School Principal, Ma'am Eden B. Bermeo, to the faculty and staff, guests, parents, and students. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are all enthusiastically gathered here this afternoon to witness the ribbon cutting and blessing of the newly constructed school building of Oson Elementary School. To formally start our program, may I request everyone to please rise for an invocation. This will be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the Tobacco City Hymn through an audio-visual presentation.
Let us bow our heads and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today. We thank you for the gift of life and strength that you have provided us all to be part of this endeavor. We seek your forgiveness for our wrongdoings as we have forgiven those who have done us wrong. May you bestow your guidance and blessings so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Bless everyone who is present here today. May each one of us be able to share our knowledge, understanding, and wisdom for your glory and honor. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. All these we ask through your name. Amen.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Blessed with nature's best, vast and fertile land, all the seeds of hope are sown. Tested our blades were sharpened, stronger faith, living hope, enduring love. Let us rise and walk tall, and with pride let us move. Tabaqueños, we are one. Let
take your seats. Looking back on the afternoon of June 2023, we were gathered for a historic and momentous event of Austin Elementary School. That was then the groundbreaking ceremony of the construction of the one unit, two classroom school building. And here we are again today, gathered for yet another remarkable and meaningful event. So, to give us her welcome address, may I call on our ever dynamic and supportive school principal, Ma'am Eden B. Bermeo. Let's give her a round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this momentous occasion. The ribbon cutting ceremony for our newly constructed building here at Austin Elementary School. Today marks a significant milestone in our school's history. This new facility represents more than just bricks and mortar. It embodies our commitment to providing our pupils with the best possible environment for learning, growth, and discovery. We are honored to have you here with us today. A while ago, we have Father Ricky Barmas, our parish priest of San Antonio Parish Church, Honorable Shelo Crisel Borsilagman, our city mayor, Honorable Nestor San Pablo, our city vice mayor, Kagawad Rinier Borse, Kagawad Salve Balimbing, Barangay Captain Alan Boringo, and council members, Kagawad Joy, Kagawad Borlagdan, Kagawad Ato, and then Kagawad Borabo. May naligawan pa akong iba? Okay, so SK Federated, Rigor, tama po? Ay, no. Kagawad Bien. Tama po? ABC Plus President, of course. Pasensya na po ha. Kagawad Nolan Rubia, nandito rin. Ay, ayun pa pala. Si Kagawad Dragodon, may kumaligawan. And of course, sa Muyang SPTA President, Lani Huachin, and of course, Madam Fatima Buen. Madam, wala dito si Ma'am Kelly. Alright. So, nahiling ko man po dyan si Engineer Dindo. Okay. And Engineer Roland Garcia. May naligawan pa po ako? Okay. And of course, ang satuyang architect. Okay, so we're truly grateful for we met amazing individuals like you. Whose support and dedication have been instrumental in bringing this project to fruition. To the individuals behind this project, your hard work, vision, and collaboration have made this dream a reality. Thank you all for joining us in this celebration. Again, good afternoon.
Thank you, Ma'am Eden, for your words of welcome. With us today is a competent, caring, loving, and supportive person who gives her all in everything she does. She is a woman that radiates positivity and whose light never dims. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome SDO Tobacco City's Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Fatima D. Buen. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Salve, for that very kind introduction. So before anything else, I would like to give my warmest greetings to all the beautiful people of Tabaco City, headed of course by the mother of the city of True Love, the very gorgeous, generous, and brilliant City Mayor of Tabaco City. Parang pakanta po, si Honorable Shelo Crisel Lagman. Beside her, of course, gwapo mambaga si Si Vice, gamiton ko man iyan na adjective, very kind and accommodating Vice Mayor, Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo. Of course, we also have with us the members of the City Council with saro-saroon ko dan mga kagawad. Kagawad Nol, Kagawad Renier, Kagawad Salve, Kagawad June, Kagawad Vince. Tama po, Mayor? Oh! Turoong-tuong na. Sisay pa. Kagawad ABC President. Oo, Burse. Oo, yan. Hindi ko na napandukan. So, iba na ang niya, aura. Pero ini mga members talaga po ini kang City Council na sa likod po ini kang pag-approve kang project na ini for our schools. Of course, my respect also to the father of this barangay, Honorable Alan Muringot, the barangay captain. Asin po ang sayang pag-iriba sa barangay council. To our teachers here, sabi ko uniform pa lang si Ma'am Eden. Ayan pong naka-pomelo pink na mga magagayon na babae dyan. Mga teachers po yan, digdi. And PTA President, I think, yan si Mrs. Lani. Quachin. Oo, Quachin. Yan. So, mga kaibanan man ni Mayor, si architect, so duwang engineers, everyone. Si Emil, I would like to greet Emil. Pag yaon na Mayor si Emil, arang kumadyan ka na. Advance party si Emil. To everyone, a beautiful afternoon po. Actually, I am happy na nakasabay po ako this time sa grupo for the inauguration of our new buildings here in Oson Elementary School under, of course, the leadership of Ma'am Eden Borromeo. Ang satuya pong principal digdi. So mga iba pong kaya inauguration, I asked for Ma'am Jen na i-represent ako due to equally important mga engagements man. I hope Mayor na intindihan po. In fact po this morning bisita ta po sa mga taga-regional office. There are around 9 of them, Mayor, na nagbisita. Ang Tabaco City po will host the Regional Management Committee meeting on August 21, 22, 23. So dakol po kitang visitors coming from the different divisions of Region 5. Digdi po gaganapon ang Regional Management Committee meeting. And nag-ocular survey na po kami, Mayor kang Casabel Amor. And i-request mi po si Mayor kung pwede welcome night. And nag-iyo naman po siya. Thank you very much, Mayor. Nga hindi na makasayuma. Thank you very much po. So, iyan po. Kaya sabi ni Vice, na-miss mi nga ikaw ang pati. Permi ko na po ining mga kairiba. And grabe po talaga ang pasalamat ko sa Gabos, lalo na po sa local government unit of Tabaco City under the dynamic leadership of our city mayor. Because now, we see for ourselves ini pong product kan sa tuyang pangaturugan. Lalo na po sa idea kan sa tuyang brilliant mayor na inaprubahan man kang konseho kang City of Tabaco. So, Ma'am Eden, you are very lucky because you are one of the recipients po kaining state-of-the-art mayor na classrooms for our school children. Sa mga taga-barangay, maswertihon man po kamo Kap. Nakamunatawanan ka ini. Actually, ang original ka ini Kap, pito puta. Di ba Mayor? Kaya lang po, kang sunagdigdi ako, manani, takaibanan ko man so engineer ni Mayor, nahiling mi, parang sobrahon ba niya ako digdi ang pito? So, daw kung pwedeng itao, i-share ta naman sa ibang, sa ibang eskwelahan. Po, Mayor? And nagtugot man po si Mayor and then so local school board baga Mayor. Ito nagkaigwaki meeting. Kaya, iyo po yan Kap ang istorya ka iyan. Dakulo na po kamudigding classroom, magayunan po masultihon ang barangay. So blessed po kamo na ining mga classrooms na ini, ma-house kan mga akita, magagayon sinda, tanganing ang quality of education here in Oson Elementary School mangyari. And It will happen po, of course, with the help of our teachers. So sa mga teachers, masupog po sa tuyang mga partners in education, kundi itapapakarahayon ang sa tuyang pagturo. Sana gabos na mga aki tadigdi, makabasa na, tamarayrahay na ang mga classrooms ta. Dear teachers, maasahan mi po iyan. Ay, iyo. Magayunan po ang smile kan sa tuyang mga teachers. They are also inspired and motivated by this tabang kan sa tuyang mga partners in education. Ang sa tuya pong ina kang syudad, talagang mapagriparo and very caring. Kaya thank you very much po, Mayor, for prioritizing DepEd. Pigsasabi po nga ni Mayor sa mga araw kay ning okasyon na so far, ang education po ang best investment nag-i-invest kita sa futuro kan sa tuyang mga aki. Na dahil man yan mahihiling tulos-tulos, but later on, in the future, mangyayari po yan na dahil sa magagayo ng mga classroom na ini, gaganahan man po ang mga aki maglaog. In fact, may story ako, Mayor. Sabi da akan mga aki duman sa isla, daina da asinda naga-absent, tamagayuno na ang mga classrooms duman. Sa Mayrawis, hali po ako duman, Mayor, nag-install po kami kang bagong school head, si Sir Paul Brian Gron. Iyo po yun sa istorya kan mga aki. Tapos sa inda da, brown out. Duman sa eskwelahan, bako, taigo pong solar panel ang building na iyan. Kaya pasalamatan po kami, Mayor. Ano po kayo sa mga reactions da akan mga aki na sindagi ganahan maglaog sa eskwelahan na magayunon ang sa indang classroom. So, sana po ang mga masunod pang mga taon, ang mga aki talagang mag-ugot, makabasa, and then magkaigwaki maray na futuro dahil sa pagtarabangan ta. Because we all know that education is everybody's business. Ako po bilang namamayokang Schools Division Superintendent, Mayor, and Vice Mayor, and to our Kagawads, grabe po ang inspirasyon ko. Kung nahihiling niyo, grabe ang higos ko. halos sabo ako mag-absent. Gusto ko permingyaon sa masupog po sa Indo. Iyo po inang samuyang ROI, Return of Investment, napakarayon ang quality of education sa Tabaco City. Tayaon po kamo handang magtabang, yaon pirmi sa kataning mi, sa gabos na pangangaipo mi. So with that, I say thank you, and again, Mayor, salamatunon. God bless everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Fatima. May I request again, Madam Fatima, to stick in front for the giving of token and certificate of appreciation. I read to you the citation of the Certificate of Appreciation. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5 Bicol, Schools Division Office of Tabaco City, Austin Elementary School, Austin, Tabaco City. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Fatima D. Buen in grateful acknowledgement of her invaluable support and steadfast commitment to education. Her dedication and contributions have significantly enhanced our educational facilities and have helped open more learning opportunities for our learners. Given the second day of August 2024 during the inauguration and blessing of the newly constructed school building at Austin Elementary School, Austin, Tabaco City. Signed, Eden Bieber, Mayor Principal 1. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. Maya Angelou once said, "When we give cheerfully and accept gratefully, everyone is blessed." This is indeed true as we now come to the most awaited moment of today's event, the turnover of the ceremonial key and unveiling of the building marker. May I request our dignitaries to do the honors.
On behalf of the local government of Tabaco, I entrust to you the key of responsibility. Please take care of this two-classroom school building. The best way to show our gratitude to the taxpayers of Tabaco City. Their taxes will be paying the loan to the Land Bank of the Philippines, is to take care of this edifice. May this be a place where minds will be inspired, not just to bring in new ideas, but also to inflame their hearts with ideals. This key will also open more doors of partnerships, cooperation, and of course camaraderie between DepEd and the community, including the local government of Tabaco.
Thank you very much po for entrusting us the two classroom buildings. Rest assured that we will be using them in order to produce quality pupils in the future.
Truly, the project would open doors to a lot of students who will be the direct recipients of this blessing from the generous and humble hearts of our donors. It was a dream come true where theories will turn into real application of learning. Ason Elementary School is fortunate for we are blessed with the presence of a woman with a strong will and character. A woman who breathes and lives the word service. A woman who is the mother of all Tabacanos. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Tabaco City Mayor, Honorable Shalo Crisel Burcel Lagman. Let's give her a round of applause.
Thank you, Mama Salve Cornel. Maray na hapon po sa kabos. Good afternoon. Iinutan ko ang oran. Ma'am Fatty, aram mo, dalig this is sentro mo sa Aplan, this is our last school. No? Kapusta na po na turnover, na duman na inaugurate. Ang masunod na insitso Isla Can San Miguel. That will be on the 15th and the 23rd of August. Okay? Napigtsyem po ta na dai makaulang naman sa Mancom, Regional Mancom, at the same time sa Induman pong session. Kaya, ma'am, maghirilingan kita giraray. Ma'am, piyesta sana sa dai man. Ang kasabay si Kapitan. Piyesta sa Oson. Okay. Pasensya ka ha. Nagginibom yung 15. Makibayli na sana kami sa Bisperas. Pwede? Okay. Ma'am Eden Borromeo, thank you so much. First and foremost, very open-minded ka mo. Dahil kang original talaga po na listahan, 7 ang classrooms TV. That list came out, sila Roland Yaon Digdi, si Engineer Dean Doboda, si Frank. When it came out, si Ma'am Coray ang nag-submit sa tuya ng mga schools na nangangaipok i-repair. She did not anticipate that also will be included duman sa list kang mga school buildings that will be repaired by the regional office. So, kang nahiling ni po na yaon naman suhali sa regional office, nagtugot man tulo si Ma'am Eden na sa mga ibang schools na nangangaipo man alaga da ita nalagan ki sufficiente na bilang ng classrooms to be constructed like the high school sa Common. Dumanta nila agari so duwa, tapos so tulog agari kinaagto duman sa San Antonio Elementary School. So nagkahirin na baga nito inaugurate na ito hali ito digdi sa allocation ko ta kang Oson Elementary School. Okay? Para at least aram ta ang istorya. Ano po? Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. Pero nahiling ko, kagayon man, kinaagan pa dyan kay Gary Barandilla, Gary Toroteres pa duman. So talagang inadapt man sila sa terrain kang eskwelahan. So palakpakan tapos sa mga nag-design ka ini. It is not just a state of the art. No? Gusto ko sana po i-emphasize gusto ko po tawan ki gusto ko po nga ipahiling sa Indo na ini mga buildings na ini, bako ini so ordinaryong building ta, no? Number 1, slab siya. Kadaklan ka mga buildings ta, yero. Kaya pag kay bagyo, asahan ta po na walang posibilidad na madara siya ka makusog na paros. Pero ini concrete, no? Ang satuya po na roofing, dahil na ini madadara. No? Dahil nagibo iyan sa mga repairs. Because ang mga repairs, ang pundasyon, bako para po sa magapat na slab. No? Aram yan ni satuya mga engineers digdi. So, kaya repair lang talaga ang naglibot ta. Pero from now on, Ma'am Fatty, if you are going to be donating classrooms to DepEd, it will be the state of the art. Okay? Talagang concrete ini. It is also elevated, nga ta, Kap, engineer, syempre sa pag nag-uran, di ba magbaha, malaog sa mga classrooms. So, again, it will be very difficult, no, to attend classes. Or mararaot so interior. O ngunyan, dahil nakaipuhan magdaraki pang floor wax. Waka ma'am? Because tiled na ang satuya pong nasalog. Aram tama na pag very erratic ang satuyang supply kang kuryente, aram kang inistorya ni Ma'am Fatty, orog mao sa sarawis na taduman, mas kinang kuryente ang barangay. Pag duman sa classroom ninda, kay gusto na mag-iriskwela sa mga aki, no? Yaon po sa ilaw. May ventilador pa. Tapos syempre pag mainit bagang sa tuyang paligid, bakong komportable, pati sa mga maestra, as in mga estudyante, man syempre makatutok sa pagklase, makayab o bako sila komportable. So, aside from that, no, meron din siyang features po. Kay ini, blessing. Okay, kasi yung rainwater catchment natin, mapapanog yung tubig. Na tubig sa rainwater catchment, magagamit sa pangdugdog kang masetas, panglimpya, o diba, pang flush kang toilet, no? So, gabus ini, nasa plano. No? Ang dais original na plano, iyan naarot ka iyan kagayon, nagkuruburo barandilya dyan, mga repairs dyan. Kaya magayunan man po, mag-isip-isipon. Buda ka sa bago, taduman po sa sarong eskwelahan na din naman sa Oson, mas halangkaw, I think Bonot pala, sorry. Bonot, 3 steps gani ito. O, taginamit ng stage. The stage naman siya, ang kahampang ka ito, human so area kung saan pwede magtiripon. So, although may stage na sindan dati, pwede magamit manggiraray as stage. So, ito sa sabi ko, kasubago, Ma'am Fatty, sinabi ni Ma'am Jenny kasubago, na bako sa ni state of the art, kundi state of the heart. State of the heart because it just shows us, Vince, kung ang estado kang puso kan sa tuyang mga decision makers. That you really love our students and teachers and you want a comfortable place for them where learning can really happen. No? Sabi nga ni Ninda, kung nasaan ang sa mo nga, kung kasain ang puso mo, mahihiling man talaga sa mo mga prioridad. Prioridad na pong edukasyon, kaya ang pinaka-enot na inutang, pinaka-enot talaga, ay inutang ta para sa edukasyon. Baka ito, Junjun? Yes! Aram po din doon, grade 1, duman po si Kagawad June Ragodon, nagklase sa Bonot Elementary School. Okay. Okay. Kaya nag-transfer siya eventually sa Bantayan. Okay. So, may nagsabi, ini magayon ini, para sa ko. The mind is like a parachute. It does not work if it is not open. Okay? The mind is like a parachute. It does not work if it is not open. So we have to have an open mind. After Typhoon Rolly, grabe talaga so distroso. Grabe man po dahil in the middle ito kang pandemic. But we have to have an open mind. And we have to allow good ideas in. And kaya po namunda ng mga siling kayo ng mga programa because we know that if we wait for DepEd to respond to the many needs of the other schools, not just Tabaco Division, no ano yung pa magkakaigwa kisiling ka ini. So, kaya sa decision ta po, Mading Salve, to construct 76 new classrooms and repair 73, no? 73 ang katuyang ni-repair na mga damaged classrooms. Nakulaon ng contribution dahil this school year, kapos po sila magagamit na soon. Itong sagurong within the week, I think tapos na po siya. So next week, magagamit na ka mga aki. Okay? So palakpakan naman po. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Bluetooth
Okay.
has been disconnected.
Yan ang pinasabi mong AI. Okay. Okay, so may sarap pa akong gustong i-share sa inyong quotation. No, kasi sometimes, like for instance, this rain can cause so much distraction. No? Yan, very distracting siya. Okay? It affects the mind and our thought processes. No? So mga problema and challenges, ganun din ang epekto sa atin. Pero ito ang may nagsabi na, your mind is like a garden. Okay? You can, and the thoughts are the seeds. Your mind is like a garden, and the thoughts are the seeds. You can either grow flowers, or you can grow weeds. So the choice is yours. Okay? Pag-araw kayo ni maoran-oran, no? No? Ano? Aram tamang baga na ayan na. Irisuga na. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a kasubago na may sindos sa quotation instead, which I think is very appropriate now. Hiningon ko kung ma-memorize ko, ha? Pero ang sabi kang itong, during life's rains, no? Do not pray for lighter rain. Pray for a stronger umbrella. Okay. So, ano ibig sabihin nun, engineer? Dahil tamang kontrolado ang uran. Para pray kita kayo ng mga bagay na dahil tamang kontrolado, ano daw kung magpangadji kita na ang satuyang umbrella makusog. Para maski anong mga oran iyan, kakayano kang satuyang payong. Iyan ang kontrolado ta. Hindi natin kontrolado ang maraming bagay, pero ang mga desisyon natin as those who were tasked, no, by our people to make decisions for them. Kamu po mga ma'am sa DepEd, we make decisions. Kamu sa barangay ka, diba? Kamu nagigibo kang decision. Kita nag-decision ko paano gagamiton as ipa-prioritize ang limited tang pondo. Yan kaya ta. Kaya desisyonan tang tama. Okay? May this day remind us, no, that everything that we do, no, everything that we do, we should give back the glory to God. Okay? Because He created all of this. Kaya gusto ko, this is the first time I'm going to manifest this. Aram ko, nasabi ko na individually po sa mga members ng council, but we want to name the building. And we want to name the building FHL. Pero we have to spell it out. At iba-iba ang skiboho na meaning kani FHL. Okay. Faith, Hope, Love, Building. To remind us that everything should be anchored on these three virtues of faith, hope, and love. Congratulations, Ma'am Eden, and our teachers and students of Osel Elementary School. Congratulations, Kapitan, as in ang mga pagliliba sa konseho. Congratulations, mga ina mo na ama, ng Faith, Hope, and Love Building. Sa gabos po, maging maugma kita, and to give back to God all that He deserves. Mabalus po.
Thank you so much, Mayor Crisel. Again, I request Mayor to stay in front for the awarding of token and certificate of appreciation. Tatawid lang po yung magbibigay. Alright. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Honorable Crisel Burse Lagman. Let's give her a round of applause. Once again, thank you so much, Mayor. Also with us today, in this rainy afternoon, is our city mayor's counterpart in giving the quality service to all the Bacaños. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in welcoming for his closing remarks Tabaco City's Vice Mayor, Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you. Diyos malahay na hapon. Sala. Mga salve, mga matibay ba na? Siyempre. Sinabayan kita kang uran. Ano? Blessing. Blessing. Mayor, blessing. Sa tuyang principal. And then, ma'am. Hello, Pati. Namiss na kita. Sa tuyang mayor, talagang, yeah, nagpapahilig ang tunay na ina sa tuyang syudad. Hindi lang sa syudad siya ang pagkamot niya, ngunyan magiging first district na siyang mayor. Nahod yan to si so sa pinakagwapo sa Sanggunian, Atty. Bunggao. Maurano niya ang kasyat. Nagawad Bunggao. Hindi, ipamibig ko manggaray si Junjun. Kung saan, nag-grade 1 ka sa ito, sa bago? Sa bunod. Nasabi ko, kung dahil hinali ka magural doon, pwede hindi dahil naging kagawad. Sa perming nahuhulog sa kahoy. Sa pili. Jujur, sa tuyang prinsesa kang isla, si mga tandaan, si Riel Burse. Salve. Salve. Yaon si Taton, may abangan ka mo si Tanggol. Kaya ringo-ringo no, may mga nanay ka po si Third. Smiling Bear si Third. ABC. Nga mga Third. Marita okay na sa mo yung SK. Si Beans. Okay. Si Alan. Happy na si Alan. Kasi sa yung mga pag-iribang konseho sa barangay. Tayo na sa pinirated sa parents sila ni Yoko. Buda mga ma'am, mga teacher, gano'n naman mauran. Ining blessing na tinawag kitang panibago na naman na facilities araw kayo ni, it's a blessing. Talagang matibay mag-request si Mayor, ang mga kaisipan niya nangyayari. Inot na inot, nasupog si Mayor dahil may na-assign na SDS na matibalo. Mas lalo na-inspired si Mayor. Kaya dahil nagduwa-duwa si Mayor na taong priority ang education dahil sa imo pati. Because of you. Sabi ni Mayor kasubago baga, halipot o ta, tibaan ko busog pasura. Pero parang siya ang buhay. Sabi ko, ang Tabaco ba, ginalanan na City of True Love. Kay puhan ang puso ta, pero may bukas. Love open. Oo, galing may lumao. Pero pasirahon ang puso ta. Welcome. Dapat ang heart sa imo, so paano mind open. Sa ko naman so heart, sila open, sila true love. Para ka po sa sa paghiling mo, i-screenon kang puso mo. Open your heart sa all the possibility. Kapos may possibility madigdi sa mundo. Sa isipon ta, we are just passing this earth. Once lang, diba? We can do our very best. Pag binigyan kita ng opportunity na we can do to our humanity, it's the best. thing that we can impart to them. Kahit matagal na, then we have that a legacy that they have to remember, although maski they ma-remember, basta we have done our part. Lalo na sa mga teacher. Congratulate my teacher. Hi na sila ni sa parents man. Dapat tulungan tayo ngayon ha. Lalo na naghahabol ngayon ang sa DepEd. Alam mo na yung curriculum na may jacket na may pinatag matatag. Ha? Kasi I do believe start ang education sa bahay. Sa family. Ang teacher, we cannot do so much. Hanggang dito lang sila. Limited man lang kasi ang dami nila yung student. Lahat kailangan asikasuhin lahat yun. Unlike kung nasa bahay ka, dalawa lang ang anak mo, matututukan mo. Diba? Unfair naman siguro sa isang grade na tututukan ng isang teacher, dalawang student lang o tatlo lang. Pangit naman. Kaya kailangan dito ang cooperation ng mga parents. Lalo na dahil hindi ko alam ang kadahilanan, wala ngayon nagkulang ang DepEd ng dahil kulang ang nag-a-apply kasi managkahaya yung requirement pero yung sweldo mababa pa rin yung sa guidance, kaya kulang ang applicants. Kaya to augment yung pagkukulang na yun, dapat yun na rin ang gawin ng mga parents. Ano tawag noon? Initial lang yung good manner and right conduct. GMRT. Dapat kayo naman ng mga parents ang gumawa doon. Kasi hindi lang through education mo mag-gauge mo ang isang tao. Pati sa karakter. Umbahin yun eh. Kahit matalino ka, kung iba ang galaw mo, iba sa nakikita sa'yo, parang may negative side ka doon. Hindi maganda. Kasi paglaki mo noon, kalalakihan mo yun na hindi ka marunong, kapwa, o how you appreciate the value of the allege na natututunan mo. Then, remain nandiyan pa rin palagi kahit matalino ka na matuto ang tao. Kung yung humility, nandiyan, patience, lahat na dapat attribute doon sa mga isang person na tao na educate. Kasi kung may pagkukulang doon, wala pa rin, kulang pa rin. Kaya hopefully, sabi ko, magtulungan, nandiyan ang teacher, nandiyan yung parents, nandito naman ang local government, si mayor, kung ano mga pangangailangan talaga. Nandiyan man ang sanggunian, support to the executive, si mayor, through legislation, nandiyan naman kami. Nandiyan naman si CAP, so support, maintain, tutulong ang barangay, magtulungan. Then eventuality, hindi naman natin pwede magamit din ito naman sa partnership naman. Kaya, ayaw ko nang pagkulang. Sa muli, sa lahat, sana mas pagpatuloy ang partnership natin sa mga ganitong project. Good afternoon and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vice Mayor. May I request Vice Mayor to please stay in front for the awarding of token and certificate of appreciation. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor and Ma'am Eden. We have now come to the end of this significant event. But the memories of this moment will never end. Asan Elementary School will forever be grateful for this big opportunity you have given us. As Steve Jobs said, if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. We are blessed and we thank you. This ends the ceremony, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Maria Salve Cornell thanking you and wishing you well this rainy afternoon. Once again, good afternoon. We have prepared refreshments. We can proceed to the new building. Thank you.